Today I share with you how to make samosa. This time around, you are going to make samosa. You are going to ask yourself, could this be just so easy and possible? Like, you are going to get it done, and everything you need to know to make samosa is what I'm going to show you. How to make a professional tortilla for your samosa, and how to make a delicious filling for your samosa. So sweetie, you can't wait to see how all this get done. See how gorgeous this look. So begin, you are going to be needing all-purpose flour. We make use of 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, you are going to be needing is just a salt. Then the center you are going to be needing turmeric. Then add in a little bit of water. But before that, you have to mix like this. Then you just need 1 cup of water. Then you have to mix that until you have a strong dough. So I'm getting that back to the wall surface like this. Then use my hand to mix it until I get this amazing dough. So this is the dough. So it's not going to be that strong, it's not going to be that soft. So you are going to get this amazing mix, and then all you do now is to cover that to rest for 20 minutes. So next is for you to prepare the filling. You are going to be needing chicken breast. So on a clean pot, you are going to be adding the chicken breast. You don't need to add in oil or water, just adding the chicken and keep on stirring. Next, you are going to add this hot pepper and onions, Maggi seasoning, the center chicken seasoning, then adding salt to this. Then all you need to do now is to keep on stirring. So guys, you don't need to add in water or oil. Just be stir frying like this. All you have to do is to stir fry until the juice that come out from the chicken get dry. Now you are going to be adding cabbage, the center adding carrot, then stir together. So at this point, you still don't need to add in water. You just keep on stir frying. It's going to come out dry, because if it is anything liquid, it's going to wet your tortilla. So that is why I have to make your filling dry like this. So now it's ready. I'm going to transfer everything back inside a clean bowl and then spread it around so that it will get good before I make use of it. So I just keep that aside. See how gorgeous this look is. So yummy, guys. It's very, very yummy. Now we are ready for the batter. At this point, it has so nice. So this is the first process. We are going to divide that into 8 equal sides. So just divide it. Since you are making use of 3 cups of all-purpose flour, you are going to get this 8 dough like this, like divide it into 8 like this, and then tight it into both sides. So once you achieve that 8, what you do now is to take one of it like this. Now you are going to take one of it, add in a little bit of flour. Use your roller to wide it like this. A little bit, guys. See my hand. So you are going to wide it just like this, and this size is okay. Keep it aside. Take the second one and do it like this. So this is how you are going to roll the 8 of it for the first step. So second step, you are going to take one of it, add in oil, just oil, guys, cooking oil. You are going to use oil to spray around all of it. Then use flour, that is all-purpose flour. Then take one of it and add on top of it like this. Then put the oil back, then add the flour. The same time bring the other one. So you are going to arrange 8 of it now on top of each other like this. So when you bring the last one, you don't add in oil anymore. You are going to use your roller to roll it like this. Have you shared this video? So now you are going to take any round cover to cut it so that you are going to have everything one shape. So you are going to cut any excess like this, so you can see how that come out. So now I'm going to get that cut again with my cutter so that everything will come out perfect like this. Now you are going to take your cutter to divide that into 2 like this. So when you divide it into 2, it's going to, then you are going to get it 4 like this. So when you have it like this, all you do now is to take one side of it, add it inside a hot pan. You are going to be turning the other side. The more you are turning it, when you are going to be opening it like this. So once you turn it, you are going to be opening each of them like this. So this is how we are going to open all of it. You can see that. So once you turn the other side, you are going to just drag one pan of it, like one pieces of it out like this. It's just so easy. This is how you are going to achieve all of it. Okay, guys, so easy. It was so easy. See how gorgeous this look. It was so nice, so light. So when you follow this process, it's just going to make you to get it light like this. And once it's light like this, you can easily use it for your. So this one is the first batch. Then second batch, before I proceed, I have to cover this until I get everything done like this. So this is me after getting all of it done. It was just so simple and massive. You can see how gorgeous this look. You can easily squeeze this. It's not going to tear, like it's not going to tear. Just follow the process how I get this mix, and you are going to get amazing tortilla wrap like this. See how gorgeous this look. It was so amazing. So now this is the ones I've already wrapped with my hands. See how gorgeous that look. So let me show you how I get this fold. So fold it, you are going to turn it like this, then take one side and then add in this batter. So that is just batter, the same all-purpose flour that you mix. So that is just it. You can use water to mix all-purpose flour, then fold it like this. See how I get that fold? Take 2 spoons of it, then add it inside the tortilla, then use the same batter to rub all over. Then now you can just cover. It was so simple. So guys, see how I covered that? Just follow my hands and get this cover. You don't need to think this twice. You don't need to go shop to look where they get this done, when you can easily get it done by yourself like this. See how beautiful this look. This is how I wrap everything, and then it's ready to fry. You are going to fry this with hot oil, just like this. If you are watched to this extent, you haven't shared this video, what are you waiting for? Even if you are not trying this now, you are going to try this later, and you are going to like to follow this process. You can see how I'm frying this. It's not going to tear, like you are not going to see any pieces of your filling inside oil. Because why? My tortilla is strong, and I fold it very nice, and everything come out perfect. You can see that. So it was so nice. All you need to do is to follow this process to make this gorgeous samosa. See how beautiful this look. This time around, you don't need to go shop to learn where they get this done. When you can easily learn this from here, all you need to do is to share. Practice this for yourself. You are going to come out as perfect as you can. See how gorgeous this look. This one is the second batch. I get that fried the same way. You can see that you are not going to see any leaking of it. Like it's not even burst. It's not even open its eye during the frying process. That is just so nice. So all you do is to follow this process. Your family, everyone around you is going to appreciate you for this samosa. It's everything delicious. See how gorgeous this look. Serve with any fresh juice and enjoy yourself. See now, you can easily open that. You can see the filling everywhere. It just so filled up. Oh my goodness, this is just so nice. Thank you guys for watching. All you got to do is to share, follow this process. I love you. In my next one, bye.